Federal High Court in Abuja has refused to grant bail to Tigran Gambayan, an executive of Binance Holdings Limited, a cryptocurrency firm. Emeka Nwite, presiding judge, held that Gambayan is likely to jump bail if bail is granted to him. The company and its executive were arraigned on a 5-count charge bordering on money laundering before Emeka Nwite, Justice of the Federal High Court in Abuja. The defendants pleaded not guilty to the charge. Moving an application, Mark Mordi, the defense counsel, argued that the court had the power to grant bail to the defendant and impose conditions to ensure his presence in court. However, Ilele Iheanacho opposed the bail application, stating that the defendant was a flight risk. Nwite said it was of the view that the position made by the prosecution, the applicant will jump bail if it is granted to him. Instead, the judge ordered that the trial would be given an accelerated hearing. After the ruling, the FCC called as first witness a staff of the Securities and the Exchange Commission. The judge adjourned the case to 23rd of May 2024 for continuation of trial. In another case instituted by Federal Inland Revenue Service, Nwite has ordered that the charge on the first defendant in the case, Nadeem Anjarwalla, who is at large, be served on the second defendant in the case, Tigran Gambayan. Justice Nwite, in a ruling, admitted that the evidence before the court proved that Gambayan remains the chief financial officer of Binance Holdings as well as the chief agent of the first defendant in Nigeria. The case has been adjourned to 22nd of May for arraignment. The prosecution counsel spoke on the outcome of the proceedings.
Proceedings were very simple. It basically had to do with the court trying to determine if we could serve on the first defendant the charge, with respect to the proceedings that we are conducting against them, and His Lordship had looked at arguments of both parties and agreed with our position that the first defendant, being Binance, could be served through the second defendant, who is its principal agent within jurisdiction.